Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into a seated knee raise march. With your hands to your thighs, begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left. Continue with this movement, keeping your spine long, lightly lifting through your lower belly, squeezing and contracting your leg muscles at the top of the movement, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while increasing circulation. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, begin to lift and lower through your heels, waking up the energy of your feet. Continue with this movement as you lift through your heels, press down through the balls of your feet, feeling a gentle stretch through the soles of your feet, toes, and ankles. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, lift your right leg, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Lift your left leg, adding ankle rotations. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center, moving into an alternate leg extension variation. Sitting tall, begin to alternate extending one leg forward, flexing through your heel. Continue with this movement, feeling a gentle stretch through your hamstrings and calf muscles while increasing circulation. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, lift your right leg and begin to point and flex through your right foot, feeling a gentle stretch through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Lift your left leg and begin to point and flex through your left foot, waking up the energy of your left foot and ankle. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.